Hello and welcome to the Archive install video for Dynamics internet-facing deployment installations. Once you have downloaded and unzipped your new installation files, run the install-archive.exe. It will automatically populate the server name that you are running on into the front-end web server, database server and web server fields. On an IFD installation, some of these defaults may be incorrect and will need changing. The first thing you need to change is the front-end web server setting. Instead of being the server name, this will be the name used in the server's SSL certificate. In most cases, this will be the Dynamics IFD web address without the organization name. On IFD, the port is likely to be 444. Check the SSL and users claims-based authentication boxes and enter the ADFS STS server address and port. The port is usually 443 and the STS address will be sts.ssl certificate name. Enter any organizations you wish to update. We have one in this example, Aspire IPM. It is important to note that the organization name must match the case entered for Dynamics. If your organization name is all in lowercase, then the name you enter here must match this. IFD requires explicit credentials, therefore enter a Windows domain user and password in the update user and update password boxes. As this is an update, we click the Installation is an update checkbox. If the database server is on the same machine, leave the setting as is, otherwise enter the server name or IP address of the database server name. SQL command is used to run any database scripts and is installed in the path listed, as are the 3 archive server applications. Click on the ellipse next to the path to select a new path. Next, choose the application pool user. By default, this is network service, but it can be an ISS application pool user or a Windows domain user. If you choose a Windows domain user, prefix the username with the domain name as set in the update user settings. You will also need to enter the password if your application pool user is a Windows domain user. The web server can remain as is. You can change the port number or leave the default of 8080. We will now pause the video whilst the update runs. Welcome back. As you can see in the log, the installation is now complete and has successfully restarted the web server and application pool. During the installation, a log file called archiveinstall.logxml is automatically generated in the same folder as the install-archive.exe file. If you have any errors logged or problems occur after installing or updating Archive, please send the archiveinstall.logxml to your local support representative. This concludes the Archive installation video. Thank you for viewing, and remember to view our many other videos at www.aspire-technologies.co.uk or visit our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/Aspire Technologies.